What's up guys, and welcome back again to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone or alerts, alarms on your device using the side buttons. So for this we can see the side buttons to turn up and down the volume. So for this, go to the settings, and then scroll down to sounds and haptics. And then as you can see guys, now if I want to turn up the volume or for example for the ringtone and alerts, I can swipe right and left to turn it up and down. But if I tap on this option available here, right, which says change with buttons, then I will be able, right, to use the buttons available here on the side of the iPhone, to change. Okay, that's enough to change, all right, the volume, we can say, all right. If you wanted to keep it like before, because sometimes you use the buttons, you turn it down, right, and maybe you're not aware, right, and then you will get like a very important for example call, but you will not be able to hear it, because you've already like turned the volume down from here, right. This is very crucial for some situations, but for those who want to know how to change with buttons, how to change the ringtone and alerts volume with buttons, just tap on that one, right, and then you will be able to change it from here, right, without going to the settings and changing from the settings on your device. Hope it helped. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one and share with your friends if they are interested in such topics. See you next time, and bye-bye.